Hello, my name is Tahir Mohammed, student number 1010344651. This is Comp 4004, fall of 2019, and this is assignment 1, Yahtzee game. So first thing I'm going to do is show you the URL of my Git repo. So it's going to be github.com/Tahir Mohammed /Yahtzee assignment. And there you go, and that's the URL. Again, github.com/Tahir Mohammed /Yahtzee assignment. Show history of repo. So I'm gonna go through my commits with you guys, starting with the last. So it's my initial commit, and as you can see, follow the TDD approach, test driven. So test, and then you implement, test, implement. Some refactors, test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor. Next page. So test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor, test, implement, refactor. So whenever you see one with network, that means there were no tests required for that code. So basically the networking part of the game, we weren't supposed to test that. So I just labeled those with the network prefix. Show that I added 2 TAs and an instructor to the Git repo. Make sure we're recording. Yep. So that's the professor, JP. 2 TAs have both accepted my invitations. Download and build the game from Git. All right, we're going to copy this. Copy. And I made a new folder in my desktop. Desktop Comp 4004 demo attempt 6. As you can see, I've been running into some issues with the taping. So I do git clone what I just copied. Tahir Mohammed /Yahtzee assignment. Cloning into Yahtzee assignment. There you go, it appeared. Run all the tests, should be 53. So import project. Alright, demo attempt 6, Yahtzee assignment. We're just going to import this. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to build the project. Oh, first thing I'm going to do is go to properties. Go to Java compiler, and we're going to use Java 1.8 to build. Compiler array build of the project is required. Yes. So we're just going to build it again. I'll show you the tests I've written. So this is for the dice class. I have these tests. For the player class, I have all these tests. And for the scoreboard calculator class, I have all of these tests. And now I'll run them all and show you that they all pass. As you can see, 53 out of 53 tests have passed. Perfect. And now I'll start the game and set up the players. All right. Let's see. So this was from my previous attempt, so I'll just clear the screens. And I'll go back to home. So I'm going to cd my desktop, comp 4004, demo attempt 6, I think. Yep. Let me just double check. Demo attempt 6, yes. And then we're going to go to, I think it's, and then it's project, and then it's target, and it's classes. So this is where we're going to run our game from. I'll do that on all my terminals. Okay, I'll just clear my screens. As you can see, they're all in the same directory, demo attempt 6. So I am running what I just cloned from Git. And the command to run it's going to be java-cp comp server. We'll run it on port 8765 just because. Java-cp client localhost 8765. I'm just going to copy this line and paste it here. Paste. So welcome player 3. What is your name? My name is Jim. Waiting for player 1 to start the game. My name is Bob. And this guy's name is, I don't know, let's see, Mo. So they're both waiting for player 1 to start the game. Server is telling me Jim, Bob, and Mo have entered the lobby. So we're going to start the game. The game's starting, says the server. So let's see what we have to demo. Scoring 0 in a category. So we'll do that. Actually, we're going to do it this way instead. We're going to try and get an upper bonus whenever we can. Upper score bonus, and then that will hopefully demonstrate all the functionality. So I'm going to hold my second and third dice. I'm going to hold my first, second, third, and fourth dice. There you go, we got all fours, and I'm going to try and get an upper score bonus, so I'm actually going to score this in, I want to score this in the Yahtzee category, but I also want to really demonstrate the upper score bonus, and I feel like this is going to help us. So I'll put it in the fours category. So 4 times 5 is 20, and you can see we got 20 points. A really good roll off the start. Realistically, I should have scored that in the Yahtzee, but I have not been getting the upper bonuses in the previous videos, so I've been redoing them. Hopefully this time I'll do my best to get an upper score bonus. Let me hold the second and third dice. Let me hold the second and third dice. Okay, so now I will demonstrate scoring 0 in a category. So as you can see, this is not 4 of a kind, so when I score in 4 of a kind, I'll get 0, and that's correct. Same thing here. I'll score this round in, I don't know, large straight, I guess. Yep, 0. Perfect. Let's continue. Let's try and get the twos category. So we're going to hold the third and fourth dice. We're going to hold the first, third, and fourth dice. We got 4 twos, so we're going to score that in the twos category. We got 8. Perfect. Roll the dice. We're going to hold the second and third dice. Oh, there you go. We're going to hold the first, second, third, and fourth dice. We got all threes. I feel like we could score this in the Yahtzee, sure. So we got 50 points, so that demonstrates that Yahtzee worked. So here we showed Yahtzee working, which is good. Should have scored that in the threes category so I can get an upper bonus, but it's okay. So we're going to hold the first, second, and fifth dice. We're going to hold the first, second, and fifth dice. And we're going to score this in the fours category. Let's see what else we got to reroll. So we've been rerolling, scoring the same category twice. Might as well do that now. We're going to hold our first and fifth dice. We're going to hold our first, fourth, and fifth dice. And let's see what we already scored in. Oops. So, as you can see, we've already scored in the twos category. So If I try and score in the 2's category, it won't let me. I'll score it in the 3's category. Perfect. Press enter to roll the dice. Now I'm just going to show you that I can re-roll the entire dice only once, and then I can choose to score, or I can re-roll again. We'll put this in the 4's category. So we're going to hold our 1st, 4th, and 5th dice, and we'll score this in the 4's category. Yep. And we're going to roll. We're going to hold the 1st and 4th dice. We're going to hold our 1st, 3rd, and 4th dice. And we'll score this in the 5's category. So we're going to roll. So I don't like what we roll, so I'm going to re-roll all the dice. Let's try and get one. So we're going to hold onto the 3rd and 5th one. And we'll score this in the 1's category. It should be 3. Yep. I'll do the same. We can put this in the 2's. Try and get as many 2's as possible. We're going to hold our 3rd and 4th one. We're going to do the same thing again. We're going to hold our 3rd and 4th one. We got 3 2's. We'll put that in the 2's category. We're going to roll. Do the same thing. Try and get a bunch of 2's. The 1st and 4th one we'll hold. We'll hold again the 1st and 4th one. Put that in 2's category. Perfect. Let's see. Where can we put? All right, 3 6's. Nice. We're gonna hold onto the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd dice. We're gonna hold again to the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd dice. And we only got 3 6's. We will score it in the 6's category. Do it again. We're gonna hold on to the 4th dice. We're gonna hold on again to the 4th dice. Try and get 5's. We did not get any 5's. Let's see. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So that's 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So we'll score this in chance, so we should get 22. 22. Perfect. Let's see. So I'm going to hold on. Oh, we already got the 5's category. All we're missing is 1, 3, and 6. So we'll hold on to the 5th dice. We'll hold on to the 4th and 5th dice. And we only got 2 3's. I don't like that. So we're going to score this in this large straight. I already scored in that category. Score number 8. It was a small straight, so we got 30 points. Enter. The ones, just the 5's categories left for this guy. So we're gonna hold the 2nd dice. We're gonna hold the 2nd dice again, and we'll score this in somewhere random. Let's see. We need 1's, 3's, 5's, 6. So we're gonna hold on to the 2nd. We're going to hold on to the 2nd and 4th. We only got 2 6's, which is not enough for me, so I'm going to do it there. Enter to roll the dice. We need 1's, 3's, and 6's. So we're going to hold on to the 2nd dice. Hold on to the 2nd and 3rd dice. We got 2 3's, not enough for me again, so we're going to score this in 9, which is full house. So only the 5's is left for this. We didn't get any 5's, so we're going to re-roll all the dice. We got 2 5's, so we're going to hold on to our 3rd and 5th dice. And we only got 2 5's still. Let's do some thinking. We need 65 points to get a bonus. 18 plus 20, that's 38. 38 plus 9 in a second. That's 47 plus 8 is 55 plus 3 is 58. So we need 7 points to get a Yahtzee bonus. Or not a Yahtzee bonus, to get a bonus in the upper section. 7 points, and if we score this in, why do we still have the fives category? So I think that should give us enough to get a bonus. Yes, it is. We got a bonus of 35. Oof, thank goodness. So as you can see, 18 plus 10 plus 20 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3 is 68, which is more than 64. Therefore, he gets a bonus of 35. So Jim's score went up by 35, and he also got the bonus reflected on the scoreboard. So I don't really care what's going on with the rest of the game. Let's see what else I can show you. Let me try and get a full house. Let me hold on to the third and fourth and fifth. And I'm going to hold on to the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we did not get a full house, so I'll score this in chance, I think. Nope, we already scored it in chance. 11, 10. There you go. Let's try and get a, I already demoed 3 of a kind. Let's try and get 3 4 of a kind. So we're going to hold on to our first, third, and fourth. Oh, we got a full house, but we already scored in the full house category. So I'm going to hold on to the first, third, and fourth. Hopefully get another 5. Perfect. We're going to score this in the 4 of a kind category. There you go. That was 4 of a kind, 23, and those added up to 23, which is right. Let's try and demo, I don't know, small straight or large straight. We're just going to hold on to 2 and 3. We're going to hold on to 2 and 3. So this would have been a full house, but I think we can't score there. Yeah. So we'll just continue scoring anywhere. Small straight or large straight. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to hold on to the first, second, fourth, and fifth. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 4, and 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 5. I think that's a small straight. Put it at number 8. Yeah, it was a small straight, so we got 30 points. I think I'll just play out the rest of the game. I already demoed everything there is to demo. So if we score this one in chance, 1, 2, 3, so that's 6 plus 5 is 11. That's 11, that's correct. Let's demo, what else? Demo chance again. Yep, and now we're gonna demo putting this in the fives category should give me 0. Yep. Putting this in the ones category should give me 0. Let's see. I wanted to get a 4 of a kind, so we're gonna hold on to second and third dice. We're going to hold on to the first, second, and third dice. We did not get what we wanted, so let's see where we can score this. Put this in small straight. I think we can do that. 8. We got 0 because it was not a small straight. Let's see. I'm just going to play out the rest of the game because this video is kind of long. Should get 6. Yep, that's right. Enter. We will score this one in the 6s category. Yep. We'll score this in 4 of a kind because I just want to finish this game now. Score this in 7, which is a large straight. Score this in the 3s. Should get 3. Yep. We should score this in the large straight. And we're going to score this one in the 1s. We're going to score this one in the 3 of a kind. And I think all that's left is Yahtzee. Score this one. And Yahtzee, we should get 0. Score this one, and let's see what's left in this guy. The 3s. So I think this is the last turn. So after this, it should tell us who won. It is going to be Jim because he has the most points. So we're going to score this in the Yahtzee category. There you go. Jim has won the game. Congratulations. So we demoed Yahtzee on this guy right here. We demoed Yahtzee bonus on this guy because he scored more than 63 on the top. So, yeah. And so we did this, scoring 0. We've rerolled once. We've rerolled twice. We showed preventing scoring category. We got the upper score, and we showed that Yahtzee works. All that's left is to demo Yahtzee bonus by explaining tests. We don't need to do this because we got the upper bonus. So to demo the Yahtzee bonus, we'll go here. We'll go into the player class. We'll go all the way down. So we have 6 tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So test player Yahtzee bonus if the ones category is free. So if they have a Yahtzee and they roll a Yahtzee of 1s and their 1s category is free, then it'll score it in the 1s category, which should give them 5 points along with their 100 bonus points. Same sort of idea. If they have a Yahtzee and they roll a Yahtzee of 2s and their 2s category is free, then they score 10 because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10 plus their 100 bonus points. Same idea for 3. 3 times 5 is 15, so they get 15 more points than their 100. Same thing with 4. Same thing with 5 and 6. And that's everything. And if their category isn't free, like if for instance they have a Yahtzee, they roll all 6s again, and the 6 category is not free, then they're just prompted to pick another category in the upper section. And if the whole upper section is full, then they're prompted to pick a category in the lower section. And that's it. Thank you for watching.